Hey folks, how you doing today? Welcome to Bob's Bottom Shelf. What we do here is show you how to make quality cocktails at home using affordable ingredients from what I like to call the top of the bottom shelf. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy tequila cocktail, the Tequila Sunrise. Alright, so what makes the Tequila Sunrise quick and easy to make is that it uses only 3 ingredients: tequila, orange juice, and grenadine. And the fact that you don't need to use a shaker or any bar tools, you can just build it right in the glass here. And our tequila today is El Jimador. This is my top of the bottom shelf recommendation. You can grab this for about 22 bucks and it's made with 100% agave. You could try a different brand, however, make sure that it is made with 100% agave. Otherwise it's going to taste not very good and it's probably made with some kind of chemicals. So spending just a little bit more is going to be worth it. And for grenadine, we have just our regular roses grenadine. Now real grenadine is not this. It's going to be a much darker red color. It's made with pomegranate and probably not corn syrup like this has in it. However, most people aren't really accustomed to real grenadine. When they hear grenadine, this is what they're gonna think. So this is what we're gonna use to make our Tequila Sunrise today. So let's go ahead and we'll need 2 ounces of tequila. Then you just top it off with some orange juice. And last but not least, to give it our sunrise effect, I'm just gonna drop in a bit of this grenadine. I don't really have a good measurement, just kinda however much you like. And that gives it the sunrise effect. And the last thing we can do is just garnish it with the simple maraschino cherry. Alright folks, Tequila Sunrise. Cheers! Well, there's not a whole lot to say about it. If you like tequila and you like orange juice, give it a shot. The grenadine just adds a bit of sweetness. In fact, if you wanted to try a variation of the screwdriver, which is just orange juice and vodka, you could replace the vodka with the tequila here and change it up a little bit. Well folks, that's going to do it for today's episode of Bob's Bottom Shelf. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried real grenadine before and how you think it compares to the roses grenadine. And as always, subscribe for more episodes of Bob's Bottom Shelf, where you save money making cocktails at home with top of the bottom shelf ingredients. See you next time.